Alright guys, what is up? I know it's Halloween night and all, and I'm 17 so I couldn't be bothered, so I got a wee bloody, what you call it, a parcel. So I just bloody crossed out my, as everyone can see, I've crossed out my details because I don't use coming to my house, so let's get in here. This was like ordered a few months ago as well, guys, so I bloody do not even remember what the hell I purchased. Okay. What's this? Elephant napkins and then my name. Okay. Okay. Guys, the amount of packing peanuts. Real bacon. Oh, what the hell? Oh, that's... Bomb, so I'm doing that bomb. So I know pretty much, guys. Yeah, I haven't uploaded not, but I have just been like super busy with things and didn't have time. And I am gonna hopefully do a full video this weekend, I think, showing people how to like flex and come to their families and their girlfriends and stuff. So I just put this a box. And there. Sorry, that guys. Awkward positions for awkward times. So this is exact what I ordered. I do not know what the hell it is. It's like some sort of cracking ball sound. Light them and watch them spark and crackle. So it's pretty much firecrackers I ordered. So yeah, whilst we are trying to get this over like 10 minutes, we will also use the shredder just for a bit of fun. And yeah, bit of money shredded. Your boy's still going large. This is pretty much, I don't even know what the hell these things are. It says light them and watch them spark and crackle. Read the back, caution, such and such. Not for sale for under 16s. Well, I'm 17, so it doesn't make a big loss, guys, because it's like, it's money well spent. But I am going to do like a full video showing people how to flex, hopefully this weekend. If I don't, then I'll try it at some point. So yeah, let's just continue on with the songs now, so I can get this past 10 minutes. Also, anyone that is watching, comment down below as well what yous are doing for Halloween or whatever, let me know. So I like the sound looking like a house now. Green honey's in my safe, I don't know where. LA bitches always asking where the coke at. So that has been pretty much this unboxing of these firecrackers, or whatever we call it, cracking balls of fire. So that's been it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Peep this 20 carat. And yeah, thanks so much, guys. Peace.